Good morning, children. So, we are continuing our lesson of prepositions. Okay, chapter 18. All of you open page number 107. Till 106, I have already explained you. Okay, so now group prepositions. There are some groups of words that function as prepositions. Here are examples of group prepositions: in spite of, in front of, instead of, due to, owing to, on account of, by means of, on behalf of, as a result of, in case of, with reference to, with regard to, for the sake of, because of, make use of. These all are group prepositions. Now read the following sentences and underline the group prepositions in each. Here children, I have underlined for you. So you will underline in your PDF I send you. You will write in your grammar book. Okay. Now this exercise 8. Fill in the blanks with appropriate group prepositions. We will give you a pink dress instead of a blue one. Owing to a high content of pesticides, the groundwater was not considered potable. The athlete could not perform well due to fatigue. The teacher praised her in front of all the children. In spite of ill health, he went ahead with his mission to climb the Mount Everest. Now this you have to learn by heart, children. Some prepositions are always used with certain words, and no rules can explain such special combination. Read the examples given below. Geeta is afraid of darkness. I will agree on this point. I may agree with a person or on a point. Mother waited at the gate for me. Deepak accused his neighbor of forgery. Reena was annoyed with her brother at his carelessness. My parents are proud of me. My aunt called on me last evening. The bus collided with the one. Soma's friend died of dengue. She must care for her health. Aditi is always boasting of her beauty. Vikram was congratulated on his success. Ramu is very loyal to his master. Delhi is famous for its historical monuments. Now last page, children. Sorry, second last. 108. These all also you have to learn by heart. These are all prepositions. Now prepositions and adverbs here. Many words can be used both as adverbs and prepositions. The contest went on. Adverb. The packet was on the table. Preposition. In sentence A, the word on modifies the verb went. In sentence B, the word on is placed before the noun table and it shows the relation between the packet and the table. Here are some more examples. The alarm went off. The girl fell off the chair. He looked up. You see, first one is adverb, then preposition, again adverb. The horse galloped up the hill. Preposition. Walk along, we are late. He walked along the river. Okay. Now here I have filled for you which are prepositions and which are adverbs. Page 109. The car skidded off the road. Preposition. Okay. This one, second one is adverb and sixth one is also preposition. Here also I filled for you. Then exercise K, fill this full page I have filled for you. So you will have to fill. this all in your PDF. So this lesson is completed. Okay. Lesson number chapter 18 over. Okay. Bye children. So you will copy down all these in your PDF. Okay.